Let's see how white these 3D whitening strips will get my teeth. So here it is. Let's open it up. And so here we go. Some people will cut these in half and then you can get like double treatments out of these. I'm not going to do that just in case it doesn't grip well. But basically I'm just going to dry off my teeth a little bit. I'd use paper towel for that. Apparently my husband said it helps it stick a little bit better. But this one's for the top one. And you put the little bumps towards your teeth. Oh, it's actually quite sticky. Oh, these have improved so much since the last time I have used whitening strips because these are actually sticky. And yes, they sound foolish. I do every time I wear them. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave these on for an hour. I sound so funny right now. So here's my teeth before. It says I'm gonna see a difference in 3 days. So I will see you in 3 days. It's officially been 3 days. Let's look at the before and the after. I definitely see a slight difference. However, I would like to get a few shades whiter. So I'm gonna do this for another 4 days and we're gonna see what that does to my teeth. So stay tuned. I'll give you a week update here very soon.